Well, hello and welcome back to another episode of Rush Outdoors. We are here starting on an epic adventure, Trouse Funnied, and we're going to traverse the Rhinogs, drop down to a Bothy, a secret Bothy, and then head back over the Rhinogs south in the morning. I'm also joined by Twin Peaks Wild Camping and a few other lads, my mate Mark that you've seen on other videos, Geraint you may remember from the canoeing trip, and we've also got a newbie with us today, Andy. Right, look at that, we must be mental. Let's have it. So we're picking up the Cambrian way. Simon's nearly gone already. Bit of a bog fest. No, I'm glad really with them frog togs ripping. Look at that, absolutely stunning. Full Panola and Morlos Gavana God just ahead of us. Here's the boyos from Cardiff, Twin Peaks Wild Camping, Simone and Marco. Guns out. Or is it bums out? There's Mark and Andy. Look at this for a view. So the Bothy's just down there. We've picked the track up. Let's make it a bit easier. Look at that. Nice pink sky. Christmas tree. Oh, this path's sketchy because it's wet. And these Scarpa boots are terrible on wet rock. Absolutely terrible. Can't wait to get me new Terex ones. Some little horsies. Beautiful. There is the Bothy. Amazing. There's the lads. Well, we've made it. Well, I have. The lads are probably just falling like I did. Went on my arse. Right. Hopefully we should have somebody in here with us. Hopefully. Lights on. He's here. No. Right, let's find the key. He must still be in his bloody van. Right, let's have a mooch around. Have you turned these little lights on in here?
No, solar.
So there's a couple of rooms upstairs. There's a lot of shit up here. Hey, there's a big bloody torch there. Ooh. Hello? Oh, Jesus. There's a compass on the floor. There's all sorts of stuff upstairs. A big fuck off torch under one bed. And shut the door. So that's a tour of the Bothy. Upstairs is spooky like.
Is it?
Yeah, definitely.
We got a spirit talking up there, don't we?
No.
When you go all day up there, there. Oh, the roads are walking, like the week,
Wednesday day off.
Fucking hell, like a full on cheese.
You know when you're
Sultan.
Yeah.
out of
Have you got any chutney?
You have.
I don't want any then.
The last turn before you go down the hill towards
Maybe
the
some of the
Cashy
shop is
Carriage,
anything
turn
else.
left in
Probably
the
is, yeah.
I've got a lot of family who live there.
Oh, some
And
nice
they're
smells
all
coming out now.
Oh no.
It just shows you how great a council estate and a council.
So for tea tonight I've got a beef stew that Mark made. Potatoes, beef, carrots in a red wine. It's absolutely gorgeous. I've come on a little mooch in the barn at the side. Do you know what? It actually feels warmer than here,
Yeah, it does, yeah.
doesn't it?
Yeah. I think the first even knew that.
Platforms. Oh, there you can feel the draft there though. There's loads of wood in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, look.
It's a mad place, isn't it?
Do you know what? This could be. Yeah, they've definitely built the platforms, haven't they, for wanting to
Yeah.
sleep in here.
Yeah.
There's another door over there. Is that the door out?
What's that?
Yeah, this must be the other door out. Yeah, that's the door out. There's loads of wood though. Don't want to go chopping anything down we shouldn't do, but bonkers, man.
So who owns this place? Is it?
I don't know. I genuinely do not know.
Big place, like, it's a big
Oh, it's
place,
huge.
yeah.
This could be an immense Bothy. Make sure that latch comes down. The wind is horrific now, like. So we're all set up for bed practically. That's Simon's. Matt on top of mine. I've actually brought me cot with me tonight, me OEX cot. For the first time being used. Second time being erected or put up. There's G falling into bed, doing a bit of yoga before he goes to sleep.
I do a bit of nighttime yoga.
This thing smells of shit round here.
It does stink in here, doesn't
Thank you, isn't that? Who is it?
I'm going to have to take that.
No, he's filming.
it's-
I just looked at shit.
It's alright, I'll just remove the talking from it. Yeah. So we're all here. We're all in bed. We put fresh candles. Mark's getting naked. Ready for bed. The star's out tonight in force, but the wind is too. Right. Good night, peeps. Probably won't film anything else now.
We out.
There's our Andy. Woo woo. There's Marky Poo. The G-Meister. And the twins.
Nice.
Good night, everybody. We love you. Love you all. Bye. Well, I slept well on my cot anyway. On my airbed. I'm happy with that.
Worth carrying it then, yeah?
Definitely. Definitely. So it's the morning after. Cracking night's sleep. Toasty and warm in that front room all together. Just the dreaded walk back. However, just found something interesting. An arrow. An actual arrow. Bonkers. Fair dues. Rhinogs. As wild as it'll come. So we're just deliberating on the route back because the rain's now coming in. Although the wind's dropped a bit. However, we'll enjoy it. Remember, even at a bothy, leave no trace. Tidy up after yourselves.
Oh, Danny, you like?
Yeah, you like.
So we're about a mile or so from the bothy. So all the way down there. The terrain is awful. The rugged rhinogs. So we've changed the plan. Instead of doing the full traverse, we're going to head up here on this ridge line and head back to the car that we got dropped off in yesterday. So yeah. Oh, the boys are just having a quick breather. Back on the Cambrian way now. Just got this little ascent and then we're back up onto the ridge line. The rugged rhinogs. Terrible. Such rugged yet beautiful terrain. Remains of an old dwelling. Looking out to the estuary. We're heading along the top here. So Mollusk, Havana, God and full Penoli there. Looking back down to Bothy. So we're still on the Cambrian way. I haven't done a lot of filming, just little segments here and there. Because the wet rock, it's very slippy with these boots. However, we're not a million miles away now. Just gotta go over these two and drop down. Well peeps, I'm going to end the video here. I haven't been able to film a great deal coming off. The weather's been absolutely outrageous. And just for the end, the clouds have lifted. You can just make out Trousfunydd power plant and Trousfunydd lake. The car's just back down there. yeah, can't wait to get there. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Adios. Oh, by the way, have a fantastic Christmas. Love you long time.